Hi guys, welcome to All Tech Embed. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am gonna tell you about Atmega 8 microcontroller and its features. So let's start. Atmega 8 comes under the family of AVR microcontrollers, which is designed by Atmel in 1996. It is based on CMOS technology. It is a mini computer. Why? Because it can perform functions like computer. There are peripherals on chip which are RAM, ROM, flash memory, input-output pins, analog to digital converters, PWM channels, timers, etc. The speed of any microcontroller's CPU is fast, but not as much as the computer speed. It is an 8-bit microcontroller which is based on RISC architecture. It has 8 KB flash memory where the programs are being stored. The EEPROM is of 512 bytes. EEPROM is that memory where the power is off, then the information cannot be destroyed. There is 1 KB internal SRAM. What is SRAM? SRAM is static random access memory, which is fast in processing and efficient for storing the data value. But the data values will get destroyed when power is off. There are three communication protocols used for transferring the data, which are USART, SPI, and I2C. USART is Universal Synchronous Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. The USART is a serial communication where there is dedicated IC or a hardware can be circuit integrated on the microcontroller. SPI is Serial Peripheral Interface based on master and slave configuration and always started by master, but there is only one master and slave. I2C is Inter-Integrated Circuit where there can be multiple masters and slaves, but in case of multi-masters, only one master can allow to transfer data at a time. But in case of multi-slaves, we can transfer data to multiple slaves on the same time. In case of multi-slaves, we can transfer data to multi-slaves on the same circuit board with 2 wires only. There are 28 pins in which 23 are programmable input-output pins, and the operating voltage of Atmega 8 is 4.5 to 5.5. Below 4.5 volt, it will not work, and also above 5.5 volt, IC get destroyed. Now, registers and port. Registers and ports are the crucial part of any microcontroller. Registers are used to store the data, and the data can be of any type, for example, binary or number or any ASCII form. Ports are like gates which have their specific locations used to access data through these given ports. Ports are of total. There are total 3 ports, which are port D, port C, and port P in Atmega 8. And these ports have their own registers, which are DDRX, pin X, and port X, where X can be any port, which are C, B, or D. DDRX is data direction register, which is used to specify that how we want to use that particular port. For example, if we want to set high all the pins of D port, then we can write it as 0xFF. FF means all the pins are high, which is in hex code. And DDRB is equals to 0x00 is set as an input. DDRB is equals to 0x00 is setting B port as an input port, means set 0. If you want to initialize some ports as input and some ports as output, then we can write it as DDRD is equals to 0x0f, equivalent to 00001111, which means that we are setting the first 4 bit as 111, which means high, and the last 4 bits as low. Now, this is the pin diagram of Atmega 8 microcontroller. The first pin is the reset pin, which is used to delete the program which is flashed inside the microcontroller. These pins are RxD, TXD, which is used for USART communication. These two pins, SCL and STA, these are the port C pins which are used for I2C communication. These four pins, these are the port P pins. And this is port P and these are the port D. And there are total 28 pins in this microcontroller. Now the last is applications of ATmega 8 controller. The first is industrial control system. In industries, control systems are used to control temperature, pressure, etc. For controlling that, ATmega 8 can be used to control these. Second is SMPS and power regulation. SMPS is switched mode power supply, which transfer power from DC to AC. And power regulation is used so that our devices and machines do not get destroyed after applying above, which is required. Also for analog and signal measuring and manipulation. The fourth is embedded system like coffee machine and vending machines in offices and workplaces. We have various coffee machines and vending machines there. The programming part is done on some microcontroller unit. The fifth is motor control system. For example, robocar like line follower robot, where we can easily work upon ATmega 8 to control the wheels, or we can say the whole system we can control easily. The display units. Display units can be used for small device and also for larger devices. In our daily life, we have seen n number of devices where a display unit is that which prints data. For example, in grocery shops, we have seen weighing machine, which is used to print the weight of any product, and also the billing machine, which shows total bill of the customer. The last is peripheral interface system, which is a system where we transfer data with the use of serial and parallel communication. For example, sensors and actuators are connected. This is all for this video. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.